So TrueTest helps you do that automation at scale without requiring or without creating a lot of maintenance and technical debt. It's those environments where you have teams having to deal with frequent releases. So if you're releasing once a week, twice a month, maybe 3 times a month, because that implies that you're going to have to do a lot of testing and retesting, and obviously doing that manually is not feasible. You're never going to be able to cover everything you need to cover from a new feature and regression testing perspective. TrueTest enables you to automate in sprint, as well as maintain those tests automatically in sprint. So you're running and rerunning tests now that are fully automated always. The second point I would mention is that for teams that are supporting multiple applications, doing that manually or with traditional test automation, where you record and playback, or where you code it, or you even have low-code approaches, there is a lot of effort that needs to be put into that. TrueTest takes care of that. Teams that are small will get some benefit, but the teams that will get the most benefit are larger testing teams, right? Where you have to have a lot of collaboration across the team members. There's dependencies on automation across team members, so TrueTest helps you do that automation at scale without creating a lot of maintenance and technical debt in the automation as you go through that process. And a third point I would mention is those applications that are very workflow intensive, meaning there are many the tests or the features that are being implemented need to be tested from an end-to-end perspective, where you go through several screens in order to accomplish something, accomplish a workflow. TrueTest shines in those types of applications because it's very easy for it to capture how people are navigating through those applications, and then it shows you in a very nice user journey map, as well as automate those same workflows and then maintain those workflows as the application evolves.